Lord, in response to the last counter affidavit filed on behalf of the respondents, Lord, I am filing a reply.
What is this here? Filed?
Lord, on the last date, they have filed an affidavit, Lord, saying that in terms of Rule 27(6) of the CCA rule, the de novo inquiry has been directed. I have filed a reply to that affidavit, Lord, that the IG has exercised his power under Rule 29D of the CRPF rules and not 27(6) of the CCA rules. And Rule 29D of the CRPF rules, Lord, only provides for further investigation and not de novo inquiry.
The third respondent.
Your Lordships, in compliance with Your Lordships order dated 38/22, Your Lordships, the DIG CRPF is here. Your Lordships, the post of IG is vacant at the moment. So being the next man, he has come, Your Lordships. And Your Lordships, so far as the query
He is a DIG?
He is the DIG administration CRPF, Your Lordship. Because
he is the third respondent.
The third respondent, Your Lordship, is the Inspector General, but that post is vacant at the moment.
Vacant?
Yes. So he is come. He is looking after the affairs at the moment. So he is come, Your Lordships. Your Lordships.
Who has filed affidavit?
Affidavit has been filed by him only.
Then ask him. Have they adopted the CCA as well as CRPF rules 1955?
Your Lordships, Rule 102 of the procedures.
No, where is the adoption?
The adoption.
They have not adopted CCA rules.
Your Lordships.
They have not adopted CCA rules.
Of corresponding status.
What is that? What is meant by that?
Your Lordship, so whatever is not provided for in these rules, they go by the CCS rules.
Charge was framed under which rule?
29D, Your Lordship.
29? Charges framed?
Yes. 27.
No, while framing charges, you are not mentioned. You have not cited the rule.
Under Rule 27 of CRPF rules, Your Lordship, memorandum of charge dated January.
Under Rule 27 of?
The CRPF rules, Your Lordship.
Where are the CRPF rules?
CRPF rule 27. CRPF rules 27, Your Lordships, procedure for the award of punishments. Discipline, Chapter 6. Chapter 6, Discipline, procedure for the award of punishments. A. The punishments shown as item 1 to 11 in column 2 of the table below may be inflicted or not.
Where is the appeal provision?
Appeal
Rule 28 is there.
Appeal is, Your Lordship, Rule 28.
How can you resort now or jump to the CCA rules?
Your Lordship,
when you have everything is in these rules.
Your Lordship, because the
insofar as initiation of inquiry against CRPF,
Your Lordship, Rule 29 is the revision under which this order has been passed. Your Lordship, D, the Director General or Special Director General or the Additional Director General heading the zone or the Inspector General or the Deputy Inspector General may call for the records of award of any punishment happened. De novo, he ordered.
Where is the provision for fresh inquiry?
That they have taken from the CCS rules.
That can't be taken.
That they have taken under umbrage of Rule 102.
No.
That is what they have done, Your Lordships. That is what they have done. I will not say the.
Which authority?
Ji?
Which authority has taken invoke Rule 102 read with CCA rule?
Your Lordship, that Inspector General. That is the Inspector General, Your Lordship. Inspector General.
On what date?
On date of the order. 12/9/2000, Your Lordships.
12/9/2000.
Respondent 133 BN CRPF will initiate a deal.
That is without authority of law. CCA rules are not applicable.
Your Lordship, the wording is what he should have said was that from the initial stage he should have.
Right, but there is no provision.
Your Lordships, even that
You
aside,
can't
Your
have,
Lordship.
Mr. Counsel, you can't have a piecemeal. One piecemeal I will take from Rules 1955, from the date of initiation of inquiry till revision. While passing revision, you switch over to CCA rule. How is it permissible?
Your Lordships, even in the CRPF rules, if the word de novo had not been there, he could have said,
No, where is the power of remanding the matter under Rule 29? Further investigation you can do, but no question of de novo.
uh, the charges are the same, Your Lordship.
Huh?
The charges are the same. He has not changed the
No,
charges.
that's all right.
Uh,
But you are permitted to only re-investigate.
Your Lordship, because in the earlier proceedings, there had been some procedural mistake. Therefore, he set aside the order of the DIG. Removal from service order was set aside. The petitioner was reinstated in service, and he said, "You do the inquiry afresh."
The later part is not. Later part is without authority of law.
Your Lordship,
Do whatever you want, limited to Rule 29 of CRPF rules.
Your Lordship, then
I will only quash the later part and leave it. You do invoke 29 and re-investigate or do whatever you want, but it should be within the frame of Rule 29. And him 1998 allegation. All right, sir. After these many decades, you want to re-investigate?
not reinvestigate from the stage of providing the copy of the inquiry report. From there,
No,
they can proceed.
that is not the issue. From the revision, in the revision, you have already set aside the order, and now you are ordered for de novo inquiry.
Your Lordship,
That is 12 years back.
Your Lordship, then
He is 53 years of
he is
age.
still in service.
He's 7 years left of in service.
What is the charge?
The allegation, my lord, the memo of charge, if your lordship will kindly come to the annexure 11 of my supplementary affidavit, my lord.
What is the charge I am asking you?
My lord, the charge is that it is suspected that in a suitcase certain amount of ganja was recovered, and it is suspected that the petitioner was carrying that.
All right, let them have re-investigate.
And my lord,
He was carrying narcotics, that
this
is,
matter was investigated
All
upon
right,
by
sir. Let them invoke Rule 29. Instant petition. Petitioner has prayed for the following relief. The petitioner was subjected to disciplinary proceedings, and charges were framed on 2/2/1998. While invoking Rule 27 of Central Reserve Police Force Rules, 1955, within bracket for short, Rules 1955. Sir, you can sit, sir. The petitioner submitted his reply. It was not satisfied by the disciplinary authority and proceeded to hold an inquiry. The inquiring officer submitted a report based on the report of the inquiring authority. Disciplinary authority proceeded to impose penalty of withholding of 2 increment with the cumulative effect on 22/2/1999.
holding of two increments.
Sir, you have filed review or suo moto they have taken?
They have suo moto review.
Suo moto review.
My lord, the entire fact has been recorded by your lordships in lordships order dated 27th of July 2022.
Suo moto review was undertaken by the official respondent while passing a order of removal from service on.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship, I thought it was order dated 12/9.
And set aside. Writ petition stands allowed.
Your Lordship is given 3 months for corrigendum and
3 months
for the corrigendum order.
for issuance of corrigendum. Whether
And-
reinvestigation is necessary or not, they have to examine only Rule 29 of Rules 1955, not
Yes.
beyond that.
Your
And
Lordship.
thereafter, if under the reinvestigation, if you found that departmental inquiry is there, you can complete within 6 months
6 months from then or 6 months from today?
from today.
Yes.
Everything should be within 6 months.
Your Lordship.